Oh my god, it's been like 3 weeks and honestly I just miss you guys. I miss vlogging. Welcome to my weekly college vlog. Today is Tuesday. I have a 9 a.m. right now, so I have to finish getting ready, which I just finished getting ready. I just have to eat breakfast. So excited to be vlogging. I was supposed to vlog last week, but I only had 1 day of school, which was just gonna be weird because then what was I gonna vlog throughout the rest of the week if I wasn't gonna do anything? It was Thanksgiving, but that's more family-ish type of thing, so I didn't want to vlog that either. So I apologize for no vlog for the past I think 2 weeks, but I'm back and I'm not gonna stop. This whole December you guys are gonna have like 3 videos per week of me, so yeah, prepare yourself and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you end up liking me or this video. I'm gonna show you my outfit real quick. So this is my outfit. This shirt I actually don't know where it is. It was my brother's once and now it's mine. I'm wearing black jeans, and for boots I'm wearing these kind of rain boots slash snow boots. I'm back. You're all blurry.
Oh, hey.
It's 11:49. We're in lunch. Gonna eat real quick.
Send it to me next week. That's right. Good job. Where do the
So I'm walking to my next class right now. It's currently like 3:17 and my teacher actually let us out extra early, like around 2. I had nowhere to go, so like I just stayed there. I was watching some YouTube. I entered the clip right now before this clip. Today's actually gonna be a really long day. I wasn't planning on staying here till like 11 o'clock at night, but for one of my assignments we have to go see a screening and basically just write about it and review it in like a 2-page essay. And the screening is today at 7:30. All the screenings here at Columbia are usually very late, around 7:30, and it doesn't end until 10, so I'm gonna be going home very late. I just got to the building and I have my English class, but yeah, I'ma go already. I came to Sydney's apartment and we're going to the 17th floor, which is the rooftop. How many stairs are there? This is the last one? Okay, great. I love this. Oh, you can see the prison from here.
Yeah. That's how we know they play basketball.
You can see them? Where?
Yes. They when they're outside.
Oh my god, this is so pretty.
My favorite view is from the other side, because like you can look out this way better. Oh, this is locked.
Oh!
For like the fire pit that we can use when it times out. It's gas, so yeah. But yeah,
This is so freaking nice. So apparently there's a salon right here. Look at this. So pretty. Oh, didn't see you there.
would you like ice?
No, thank you.
No? No ice? Okay.
You just tell me what happens. Okay. Hey. So it's 9:38, I believe, and I'm heading home now. The movie just finished, and they were gonna have like a Q&A with some of the people that worked on the film, and there was gonna be like a special guest. But I still have to go home, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. This is my outfit. This top is thrifted. It has some details right here, and it's like a long turtleneck, so it's really nice and warm for this weather. This sweater is from Fashion Nova. it's just a nice cardigan, very nice. I honestly just have leggings on, and then I spilled a bunch of translucent powder right in the crotch area, but you don't see it that much. And then I'm wearing these boots just because my other boots from yesterday, they're great for rain and snow, but when there's ice, you're slipping. So yeah. Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday. It's currently like exactly 9. I have class right now at 9, and I just wanted to kind of update you because yesterday I came home late, and then I'm so used to just watching YouTube, Netflix, all of that during Tuesdays at night. So I basically slept really late. Honestly, I was considering not coming to school today just because I have one class. You guys know this. It's a 3-hour class, 9 a.m. and today we're doing presentations for our final, and I'm not presenting today, I'm presenting to next week. I just really didn't want to come, but I'm here. Way later in the day, like it's currently like 6:30 maybe. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I was sick this past weekend, so I still haven't been feeling the best. I'm very hot at times, very cold at times, and then this weather doesn't make it any better. So I got here a while ago. Obviously I just honestly went to sleep. I was really tired. I have to study for my quiz tomorrow because honestly this quiz is probably like the first one I don't understand what's going on. Really wanting to go through my clothes. These are not all my clothes. You guys have never seen this part of my room, but I have like a bunch of clothes in this rack, and basically I have never been the person to kind of take out my summer clothes and put them away and then just put my winter clothes up here. Like I just never done that. I need to start doing that because I honestly don't fit anymore. Like I have clothes everywhere. I don't know if I should do a video on it though. I really need to organize this, and I really want to do that, but I don't know if I should do that right now. Okay, so I made a quick decision. Actually, since I'm not gonna do a like actual video, I'm just gonna kind of do it in this vlog a little bit, and I'm just gonna first start off like all my very summery pieces. Also gonna watch Jane the Virgin. I just finished taking off a bunch of the clothes. Like I have a bunch down here, and like I can really see like all my clothes, and I'm still gonna put up I think more like long sleeves because I have more in my drawers, which knitwear is very bulky in a way. So now I'm gonna fold these shirts. Okay, now I'm gonna start with all my dresses. I'm basically just gonna take all like the dresses that are very summery, and I'm gonna leave some dresses that are short sleeve that I could definitely wear, like this one, and I'm gonna leave a bunch of like holiday dresses. Like this could be a holiday dress. Okay, this is the last update for tonight. I finished putting all my clothes, at least all my winter clothes up here. As you can see, it's all mainly like long sleeves, and I just realized how much of long sleeves and knitwear I had. I have a couple of dresses up here still long sleeve, and a couple that could be like holiday dresses. I'm tired. I feel like kind of feverish, and you guys know I've been a little bit sick. I still have a lot of homework to do. Not a lot of homework, but I still have homework to do, so I have to go. Good morning. Today is Thursday. I'm already like fully dressed and ready. I'm actually about to head out. I just wanted to show you my outfit real quick. This is my outfit. I have this top on. It's just kind of glittery, as you can see. You guys somewhat see my bra in there, but not that much. Then I have these Fashion Nova jeans, and my shoes are like platform booties. These are from Pretty Little Thing, and by the way, this is from Magaki. or a gotcha, whatever it's called. Then I have my scarf from Forever 21, which is my favorite thing of ever right now. I'm in school now and it's currently 12:25. I have class in 5 minutes. I have a quiz today, and you guys know I wasn't feeling great about it yesterday, but no, I feel decent. I read the book, I understand it better, so let's pray that I do good in this quiz. We just got out of math class. We're going to Panera, the usual, and it's actually not that cold today. I thought it was gonna be way colder. For one of my classes, for my film classes, I'm doing a video on like, this is Chicago, and I'm gonna have to interview some people. I'm really good at Wait, did it get cancelled?
Not any of my cards have been canceled.
Nothing, same.
There was one, but she said, what do you mean?
I just got out of class. It's currently like 4:50 and I'm heading to this train station. Friday. I'm actually gonna end the vlog right here just because I did have plans to go downtown, and I kind of mentioned it yesterday that I was doing a film on Chicago and I was gonna go film a little bit more on that, but unfortunately I can't anymore, and I'm just gonna stay home. I'm gonna do actually a couple videos right here. It's gonna be fashion related, so I'm really excited, and this is something I've been wanting to do a lot on my channel. I have done a lot of hauls and a couple fashion videos, but I just really want to get more into it. I feel like lately I've been really into clothes, and that's what I want to do. So now, from now on, I want to at least post 2 videos of fashion in my channel and 2 videos of makeup, and per month at least. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So thank you guys so much for watching this college weekly vlog. Don't remember to like this video, comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button because this whole December I'm posting almost daily. So yeah, get ready for that. Until next time, bye guys.